Every painter has to have a rag, okay? Just like a painter on your back pocket.
Perfect.
All right? All right, now I'm going to show you how this technique works.
Okay.
All right? When you dip your brush into the stain can, you don't have to go much deeper.
Okay.
Just about what I call 2 fingers. It's
Okay.
about an inch, inch and a half.
Okay.
All right? So you will carry enough stain so you can do long strokes.
Okay.
Couple tabs, and you can start right there. Long strokes always. Try to spread as much as you can with the stain that is on your brush.
Okay.
All right? We're gonna do 3 boards at a time.
Okay.
We don't want to run out of time prior to the when we have to wipe off the stain.
Now, is this a brush especially for oil-based stain?
Absolutely. This is a brush specific for oil-based stain.
Okay.
Okay. And start from the top again and remove. And 1 long stroke, okay?
Okay.
All the way down from the top to the bottom. Well, last tape off. What do you think, Kathryn?
I think it looks fantastic. How does it compare to the sample?
All right, well, let's compare it
All
right
right.
now. We said this is the color they like it,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So it came out nice, but let's compare. Let's go closer to the wall
Definitely.
so we can see it better. Look at that,
It's pretty spot on to me.
right?
Yes.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yes.
Well, they'll be happy when they see
I
it.
think we did a fantastic job.
We did it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.